Hello and welcome to another Capra audio installation tutorial. Today we have the Grado SR60X. This strap should work on all of the Grado models. As far as I'm aware, they all use the exact same headband style. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove these caps off the ends of the adjustment rods. We'll slide those out of the headband completely. And we'll take our strap. And we'll make sure that these tabs are facing towards us, and the headphone is facing away from us. So this will be towards the back of the headphone. Go ahead and slide the ends over each of the rods. And we'll slide the rod back in, and just so it's barely poking out the top. So we take the strap, and take the other end, or take these little tab thingies, wrap it over, push the other end through that rod, push it up, put on our little retention cap, boop, and do it on the other side. And there you have it. Comfort strap installed.